Oh, my friend, but no, we can't know. I'm feeling so much pain. So with my own two eyes, I'm on that plane, nowhere to be. Still be the I remember all of it, but I can't forget. It's the first time and the last time we ever met. That's the reason why you keep silence. No, you don't fool me, 'cause I heard that.